What's up with this? A new week, new projects in the shop, and I'm going to prepare the Mark II and the Mark III. Like in the last episodes, it was a bit of a mess with the parts coming in. So I'm going to hit up, get my lists and check complete, so I can make some full episodes again on the Mark II and the Mark III. The Mark III I'm going to finish in the next episode. So it's off to the painter, and I'm going to make sure in the next episode that I will have enough stuff to get on the brakes. Now on to the Mini. Let the search begin. I went a little bit fast. Oh. It doesn't fit. Well, that is not the most handy stuff again. For me, an easy job. Going to put this one on air. All the parts are easy because they're all in and easy to order, and everything is always in stock, so I will never forget something to order. So let's get the Mini down and I'll show you how it works on the Mini. I'm going to get all the lines through the Mini, then making a boot setup, and then putting the air suspension on. Full airlift suspension setup with a 3-piece system and a hidden floor in the boot. Let's hit it and get that done for this week. And do you got a project in your garage that you never seems to finish and you still want to have it finished? Please hit me up. Maybe I can help you out and build a part of your build or get your complete build finished. You got a restoration project in a tuning scene? Hit me up. I hope I can help you out and make you a cool build.
What a show call off your circus. Bye bye, you can miss me.
Oh damn, that is not a lot of space. First thing, let the search begin, because where is room in this one? It's always different. I never did an R57 convertible before, so I need to figure out where to get all the lines through. So let's go and, well, dismantle it and see which side panels are easy to take off and which one we probably better to leave on because it takes too much time. So let's see.
I think of you when I'm intoxicated. I don't know why I get frustrated. I bet I was on your mind last night with the by your side. Oh, you can't deny. I bet you wish it's you and I can see that you still try. Oh, your sweetest dream. Time flies by and you still look so dumb. Getting bored too soon of your new hun. Don't even get me started on. You think you're the beat to every girl's drum. I see a boy who missed his home run. Boo-hoo, you can miss me with that shit. I think of you when I'm intoxicated. I don't know why I get frustrated. I bet I was on your mind last night with the by your side.
Well, that went kind of smoothly. Only the ignition, controller wires, everything under the rocker pant and under the dash. Everything is closed. All the lines are in the engine bay. So the last piece is to connect over there and over there. But with the Mini, both sides, there's a big hole over there that goes straight under the inner fenders. So to get these final lines in, I need to put it on the ramp. Trunks back together, seats are back in, both lines are in. Over there's a little rubber gasket that just goes down, so I drilled a small hole in it airline in between, and all the lines are in the trunk. And as of today is going smooth, I went a little bit fast, threw a little false bottom together. Was pretty easy because the original bottom plate, just put it on the MDF, put some lines on it, got it all done. I need to raise the floor for the compressor and the airlift manifold, so I've done that. So now let's see if this is about this good height, and then we can make the false floor and connect everything, and then we're almost done, so it can go on the ramp. Okay, let's see if this will fit. That's fitted it, but not with all the plastics in.
Oh, you can't deny. I bet you wish it's you and I can see that you still try. Oh, your sweetest dream, but only in your memory.
Okay, so that's the start of the false floor. Let's see how much room we've got for the tank. Oh, it doesn't fit. God damn you. Not expected that. Maybe I need to change the plan. Okay, let me try another one. That's better. Playing the cardboard game is always handy to get a good false floor with some corners in. Cutting out the final pieces, and let's see if we can make a good shape. Not too bad. Always kind of looking crazy with the cardboard, but I think this will get somewhere.
Only in your memory, by side it's you and me. Only in your memory, you wish it's only you and me. I really need to get some sleep. Used to say it's you and me. Only in your
Well, that's the tank done. And with the cardboard, I made a piece of MDF, and I went a little fast yesterday evening. Already upholstered it. So we got a nice piece of MDF to enclose the false floor. Let's get the tank on and put it in the Mini.
memory. Oh, babe, love was on your mind. Last night we fell by your side. Oh, you can't deny. I bet you wish it's you and I can see that you still try. Oh, your sweetest dream, but only in your memory.
Well, yes, this turned out really neat. It's almost like a factory floor, completely flat with the insert on the left and on the right and at the back. So what else do we want? It's seamless with the original floor. Over here as well, all seamless, almost looking like original. Well, that is not the most handy stuff again. There are some wheel locks, wheel nuts, wheel locks on the wheels. I was checking the boot and I thought there was only a towing eye in the rear under the air install, but probably the wheel lock nut will be in there as well. I closed the trunk, which only opens with the electronics of the key. Got the battery still out because I wanted to put the air lines in at the front first. I should probably look for the wheel nuts, get the battery back in, and then see under the air install if there's something I forgot. Airlines. Well, that was not planned to do it this way. Let's see if it's under here. Fucked it.
Without your hands, without me in your arms, looking back,
Fuck you.
I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. That's all.
Well, this proved this construction worked really well. Got some room in the airlines, can take everything out and in again. But and that's all for this crazy thing.
For love, tell me what do you like? Tell me what do you like?
What is all wrong with all these cars always? Some wheel nuts were just so tight that I needed to put the car back on the ground and get a big wrench to get them loose. Some of them. Crazy stuff always.
Wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me what do you like? Tell me what do you like? La 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 la. Let's talk about. Let's talk about. Talk about love. Let's talk about. La 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 la.
Holy shit. Well, I'm not used to that wheels are, yeah, what can you say, rotten on the hubs. They're completely seized on the hubs with rust. Most of the cars that come in that had millions of wheel changes and switched out wheels every year, this is kind of new. So I guess everything will be like that. So put some WD-40 on it and then start the assembly.
Let's talk about. I'm gonna be better.
Well, those first steps went smoother than expected, so let's get on with the rear backs. Let's get these prepared and installed and checked, and then we're off to the fronts.
Then you thought, I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better, 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 better. Let's talk about.
Mini is pretty easy.
Let's talk about. Let's talk about. Talk about love. Let's talk about.
Well, came here in this morning, put it up in the air, and no leaks at all overnight. So that turned out really good. No comments on that. I really like it actually. Didn't expect it with the original wheels to look this good. So I'm going to take some shots outside.